Hi, I'm Mark from Volkswagen Van Centre Birmingham. Here we have for you a Volkswagen Transporter. It's a short wheelbase, it's a Highline model, it's fitted with a 110 PS 2 litre turbo diesel engine, and it also has a 5-speed manual gearbox. Now to the front of the vehicle, it's fitted with daytime running headlights. It also has two nice chrome strips in the centre grille, as you can see. Now to the centre of the grille, you can see it comes with front assist with city emergency braking. This is a popular safety feature on the van range. Now to the lower part of the bumper, it's fitted with front parking sensors and it's also got front fog lights. This vehicle looks stunning in Fortana red. The wheels fitted to this vehicle are alloys and they're 16-inch. Now for a look round the vehicle. This vehicle is also fitted with power heated folded mirrors. Also the mirror caps and door handles are painted in body colour. To this side of the vehicle, it's fitted with a near side sliding door. Now to the back of the Transporter, it's fitted with a tailgate without window. The rear tail lights on this vehicle are LED. In the rear bumper, it's fitted with reverse parking sensors. This is ideal for when you're trying to park the vehicle up in tight spaces. As you can see, this vehicle looks stunning in Fortana red. Now for a quick look at the interior. This vehicle is fitted with two comfortable seats in bricks woven fabric. As you can see, both front seats come with armrests for added comfort on long journeys. Now to the back of the front seats, this vehicle is also fitted with a bulkhead. As you can see, this vehicle is also fitted with a leather wrapped steering wheel with multifunctional switches on both sides of the steering wheel. To this side of the steering wheel, it's fitted with media controls. To this side, it's got the adaptive cruise control. This vehicle has covered 13 delivery miles. Now to the centre of the dash. As you can see, it comes with a colour touchscreen multimedia system with a system called App Connect. App Connect allows you to use your Android or Apple smartphone through the device. It also has a handy system called MirrorLink. This is ideal for streaming your most popular apps, e.g. music or maps. It's also fitted with AM, FM and DAB radio frequencies. It's also fitted with a SD card reader. As you can see, it's got two USB ports. It's also fitted with park distance control. This is for your front and rear parking sensors. This van is also fitted with a heated front screen for cold winter mornings. This van also has the added bonus of heated front seats for your driver and passenger. They're easy to adjust. Just repress the switch to adjust the heat settings. This vehicle is also fitted with air conditioning for hot summer days. As I told you earlier, it comes with a 5-speed manual gearbox. Here we have two handy C-charge ports and a handy 12-volt socket. Now for a look at the load area. As you can see, there's plenty of space. If you'd like to add wood ply lining to the back of the load area, you could ask a member of the sales team for a quote on wood ply lining. You could also add it to the floor. This is a view with the tailgate open. Now for a look from the near side sliding door. As you can see, the load area is in pristine condition. Across the floor there's load lashing rings. This is ideal for securing your loads whilst in transit. If you'd like any more information on this used 21 plate Transporter, please call 0121 514 0632 and a member of our sales team will be able to help you with your inquiries. They'll also be able to make you a live video on request. And thank you for watching.